War is changing quietly, rapidly, and permanently. The next major conflict won't be decided by sheer troop numbers or traditional firepower. It will be shaped by algorithms, autonomous machines, and technologies that act faster than human thought. From AI-driven battle systems to hypersonic weapons and robotic soldiers, today's defense innovations are not just upgrading warfare, they are redefining it. In this video, we'll explore the most powerful defense innovations that are transforming modern warfare and why the battlefield of the future will look nothing like the past. 1. Artificial intelligence on the battlefield. Artificial intelligence is becoming the brain of modern warfare. AI systems can analyze satellite imagery, drone feeds, radar signals, and battlefield data in real time, something no human command center can match. Modern militaries are now using AI to predict enemy movements, optimize troop deployment, detect threats faster than human operators, coordinate multi-domain attacks across land, sea, air, space, and cyber. In future wars, decisions may be made by machines in milliseconds, not by generals in command rooms. The side that controls better AI won't just react faster, it will control the tempo of the war. 2. Autonomous drones and robotic swarms. Drones are no longer just tools for surveillance. Autonomous drone swarms can now coordinate attacks without human input, overwhelm air defenses through sheer numbers, adapt mid-mission using AI decision-making like traditional aircraft. These systems are cheap, replaceable, and scalable. 1 destroyed drone means nothing, but 1,000 drones attacking simultaneously can cripple even the most advanced defenses. Robotic ground vehicles and naval drones are following the same path, pushing humans farther away from direct combat and redefining what a soldier even means. 3. Hypersonic weapons, speed beyond defense. Hypersonic missiles travel at more than 5 times the speed of sound while maneuvering unpredictably. That combination breaks the logic of modern missile defense systems. Unlike ballistic missiles, hypersonic weapons fly at lower altitude, change direction mid-flight, give defenders only seconds to react. This means warning systems may detect a strike too late to stop it. Hypersonic technology is turning speed into a strategic weapon, one that could decide conflicts before they even officially begin. 4. Space as a warfighting domain. Space is no longer neutral. Satellites now control communications, intelligent as early warning systems. Modern defense innovation focuses on anti-satellite weapons, space-based sensors, orbital surveillance platforms. If satellites are disabled, entire militaries could lose coordination, navigation, and battlefield awareness in minutes. Future wars may begin above Earth, with invisible battles fought hundreds of kilometers in orbit. 5. Cyber warfare and digital weapons. Not all attacks explode. Cyber weapons can shut down power grids, air defense systems, financial networks, military command structures. These attacks can happen before the first missile is launched, weakening an enemy without firing a shot. Modern warfare now includes digital battlefields where hackers and AI systems fight silently, yet the damage can be just as devastating as physical destruction. In the future, wars may be won by whoever controls the code. 6. Network-centric and multi-domain warfare. Defense innovation is no longer about individual weapons, it's about systems working together. Modern militaries are building networks that connect drones, fighter jet ships, ground forces, satellite command systems. This creates a battlefield where every unit shares data instantly. Instead of isolated engagements, future wars will be fully integrated battles, where dominance in one domain affects all others. 7. The human role is changing as machines grow more capable. Humans are moving into new roles. Soldiers of the future may supervise AI systems, control multiple robotic units, remote to life, focus on strategy instead of direct combat. This raises serious ethical and strategic questions. Who is responsible when autonomous weapons make lethal decisions? And what happens when machines act faster than human oversight allows? Defense innovation is not just changing how wars are fought, it's changing who fights them. Modern warfare is no longer defined by trenches, tanks, or even pilots. It is defined by artificial intelligence, OTNS, system speed beyond human reaction, invisible, digital and space-based conflicts. Defense innovations are reshaping global power, and the next major war may be decided before the world even realizes it has begun. The future battlefield is already here. It's just not visible yet.